What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be installing a R6 Motion Pro throttle tube on my 2015 MT-07. Here we have a Motion Pro R6 throttle tube 01-0094, some ODI grip glue, and some cheap eBay grips. First thing you want to do is take an 8mm Allen key to get this bar end off. Now we're going to take some slack off the throttle cable. Go ahead and unclip this clip right here. Get that off of there. Slide this back. You'll need two 8mm wrenches. First wrench on this big nut right here. Loosen that. And that'll loosen the slack on the cable. Now we're going to take the throttle tube off. First we have to take off this cover. There's two 4mm bolts right there. Loosen those up. Keep going until they come all the way out. Now pull this cover apart. Roll the tube forward to get this top one out. Now the other way to get the bottom one out. And now the tube will just come right off. Now you're going to want to take your new throttle tube, slide it on here. This part's kind of a pain because this cable here likes to go up inside of this, so you might need a little screwdriver to keep pulling it out. I have a hold of it right here, so I'm going to go ahead and slip it in right there. Grab your bottom cable. Rotate it down. There we go. Make sure it's in its little track. Reinstall your bottom bolts here. Once you get your new throttle tube on, if you're having a problem where the throttle doesn't want to come back on its own, it's probably because the adjustment here is too tight. So you want to take the big, longer nut here, spin it clockwise until you get it where you want it. Looking at these side by side, it's kind of hard to see on camera, but you can see how the Motion Pro does have a much bigger circumference around where the cable rides versus the OEM tube. This is the OEM throttle tube. I put a piece of tape on here just so you can kind of see what it takes to hit wide open throttle. And this is the Motion Pro throttle tube. As you can see, it's quite a bit less. It might not seem like a lot, but it makes a huge difference. Now before we install the grip, you want to use some wax and grease remover or rubbing alcohol and make sure this is really clean. Go ahead and take your glue. Just apply it on there, get it all over. Now take your grip. Kind of work it on there. Twisting helps a little bit. Push from the end too. Line it up, get it how you want it. Get your bar end back on there. That's it, guys. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'm hoping to put out more videos like this as I upgrade my bike and install parts. So please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.